In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list on Tradingview, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized list of tickers you can monitor at a glance, which is perfect for staying organized, whether you trade stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. First, look to the right side of your Tradingview screen. You'll see the right sidebar, which hosts a few handy panels. Find and click the Watchlist option there. This opens the Watchlist panel, where all the management tools live. If your panel was collapsed, clicking Watchlist will expand it so you can see your current symbols and the toolbar across the top. Next, at the very top of the Watchlist panel, click the plus icon. This is the control for creating a brand new list rather than adding more symbols to an existing one. It's especially helpful if you like to keep separate lists for different strategies, sectors, or time horizons. You'll be prompted to enter a watchlist name. Type something clear and specific so you'll immediately recognize its purpose later. For example, you might use names like Tech Swing Candidates, Morning Gap Watch, Crypto Majors, or Forex London Session. A descriptive name keeps your workspace tidy and helps you switch context quickly without hunting around. Once you've typed your name, click Create. Tradingview will set up the new list instantly and make it the active watch list. You'll start with a blank slate, ready to populate with the symbols you want to follow. If you ever create multiple lists, having purposeful names will make it simple to swap between them as your focus changes. Now it's time to add symbols. In the Watchlist panel, start typing a symbol or ticker, then press Enter to add it. You can repeat this for each instrument you want. As a tip, make sure you're adding the correct symbol for the market and exchange you intend to follow. For example, stocks often share tickers across exchanges, and crypto pairs can differ by base and quote asset, such as BTC/USD versus BTC/EUR. Pressing Enter confirms your choice, and the symbol will appear in your list with its latest price information. That's it. You've created a watch list, named it, and added the symbols that matter to you. From here, your list will help you monitor price moves and stay focused throughout your trading session. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.